Hey guys, in this video I'm about to do something that I never done before. It will be my first multi-day trekking trip, and before this trip for me trekking is like walking up to the stairs. But over the next few days I'm taking you along from the road ahead to the high altitude base camp. And even to reach the base camp we have to do the 10 kilometer, not 10 kilometer, it is like 9 kilometer trekking from Pulma to the Gangaria. Gangaria is our base camp, and from there we will start our trail towards the paradise of flowers. So my target isn't just any trail, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it's called Valley of Flowers.
थोड़ा इधर होगा.
We found our seat instead of going there, sitting at that table.
अपना बस यहीं आएगा.
This guy found his real seat, he's too ground to earth guy.
ये धरती मेरी माँ है.
Oh boy.
Emergency exit.
This is our bus.
पीछे है क्या?
BU 910. कौन सा वाला है?
सीट नंबर तो देख.
यार इसमें लिखा नहीं है. अच्छा ये लिखा है. ये होगा.
Yo guys.
बस पे बैठ चुके हैं. As you can see,
बहुत ही
this is our bus.
luxurious बस है. luxurious बस.
Luxurious? I don't think it is. It is not as good as the one I paid for last time.
Bro, in $5 what do you want?
The 400 रुपए में I guess it is better.
$5 to $6 max to max.
$5 bus. Look at this. This is $5 seat for 2 people.
It is amazing. For 2 people or 1 people? $5 per person?
No, $5 per person. We have this thing also to cover ourselves, but I'm not gonna use it. We have privacy curtain also that we will use. So getting here is an adventure in itself because we have to travel overnight around 3 to 4 hours towards the Rishikesh. That's why we took this bus that you just saw, and from there we will take the another bus that I'm in right now in this video that I'm recording, and we will be driving along with the Alaknanda river towards the Joshimath, that is 11 to 10 hours away, almost 230 kilometers, because on the mountain the driving speed somewhere around 20 to 30 kilometer per hour. That's why it's taking that long. And that you're seeing right now, it is a landslide that happened literally an hour ago when we reached here, and it is very dangerous, because you don't know what will happen on the mountain. The nature is not gonna see who you are. And as you can see, there's a very high cliff. There was so many moments we thought we are going to die because of the driver was very professional. We can't say anything about that. We talked to him also. He was like 15 years. He had the 15 years of experience on these roads, so we were in the good hands. So as you can see, it's very dangerous, and the whole adventure was like that. You don't know when you are going to die. So we traveled towards the Joshimath. We reached the Joshimath and we took the hotel here, and we stayed here for the night. We rested. गिरियो मत, बस चलते रहो. We are going down. I don't know what to say. We are going somewhere down there towards the river. Just need to be careful. Don't wanna sleep here, you know. We are only here for one day. Only one day. These are the someone growing something, probably vegetables. Everything is built on mountain here. हम तीनों में मैं अकेला होऊंगा जो हाइट से डर लगता है जैसे.
हाइट से डर लगता है.
Yep. ये तो बहुत नीचे जाएंगे अब अभी.
ऊपर चढ़ने में घास होगी.
Obviously. This is my second time doing this kind of adventure. Last time I did in Darjeeling with one of my Japanese friend. Now I'm doing with my childhood friend, and there's one stranger, new friend. 3 people. By the way, we found him on the bus, and now all 3 of us going to the Valley of Flower and look at the water. These are all rainwater.
मोमोज लेते बैठ के खाएंगे.
हाँ हाँ.
वो तो आप बिल्कुल ऊपर जाएंगे.
So this is the second day, and today we will start early. It will take all day to reach the base camp where we are going, Gangaria, and we will take the local vehicle from here, Josimath, towards the Govind Ghat. Govind Ghat will take an hour to reach there. When we will reach the Govind Ghat, we will take the another vehicle that will take us to the Pulma. Pulma is also a few minutes away from the Govind Ghat. As you can see, there are other people are also going. They are going towards the Hemkund Sahib. They have the same base camp, Gangaria. We are also going there. So let's see. Our trekking started, guys.
जैसे
We are
कोई
in
शाम
Pulna.
तक पहुंचा तो अपना रात को
And
यहाँ
now-
रुक गया, सुबह निकल गया.
We are going to walk 9 kilometers from here into these mountains. There is no network, nothing. We already completed the not already we finished the 50% of the place tracking. We finished 50% of the tracking. As you can see, this is the checkpoint, and from here we have to walk 3 kilometers more. This is the group that we have to cross, and then the other half of the trekking will start. Let's go.
घाट का पानी पियो. आजकल ना रफ्तार में पहुंच
हैं?
यहाँ तक आ
वो देखो वो नया वाला ब्रिज वहाँ पे है, हम पुराने ब्रिज से जा रहे हैं. So there were two bridge, and we chose to go from the lower side because you can see all these water and all. If you will go from there, you can't see all this from close. This is the old bridge. Look at the view. So trekking is not easy, When we crossed that bridge, all the sudden every path we took had the steep climb that you're seeing right now, and it is one of the hardest part of that 9-kilometer trekking. Like half the path that we traveled, it was not that hard. It was like not that hard. After that it become one of the hardest thing that we ever done. It's like one of the hardest one. As you can see, people are like renting those horses. It is easier to go there because it's not easy for everyone have to travel a lot. So there it is. We reached 10,000 feet from sea level. We have to go one more 1,000 feet above, then we will reach the Valley of Flower. Look at the view. These are the camps, but we have to go further. There will be we will see the hotel where we will stay. I'm tired. How many hours, Manu? 11 hours. No, not 11, sorry. 9 hours. We are walking non-stop since how many? 9 hours. And we still have to go 1 kilometer and 1,000 feet above. Then we will reach our destination. So let's talk about the history and fun fact about the Valley of Flower while we are trekking there. So the Valley of Flower is a national park located in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand in the Western Himalayas, and it is renowned worldwide for its breathtaking, alpine flowers and rich biodiversity. And it recognizes its ecological importance. The Indian government declared the region a national park in 1982, and in 2005 it was designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site as an extension of the Nanda Devi National Park, forming the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. And one of the interesting fact about this Valley of Flower is it have over 500 species of plants and flowers, especially the flowers. And why There are so many reasons why it's famous. This is one of them, 500 species of flowers. When you will reach there, you will see literally on your eyes. And every week the color of the flowers, like the valley, change according to the the flowers and all. Every week, it's not like every month or so. Every week you will see. And if you are lucky enough, you will see so many rare flowers also. And how it discovered, that is also a very important thing. Because um, like in 1931, the valley gained its international prominence when the Britishers, like a British mountaineer Frank S. Smith, Eric Simpson, and R.L. Holdsworth, stumble upon here after losing their way while returning from the expedition. To Smith was captivated by the flower landscape and published a book titled The Valley of Flowers in 1938, introducing the region to the world. After that, people recognize and they found about this Valley of Flower, and it became famous. And there's a other reason why it's famous, because there was a botanist. Her name was Lady John Margaret Legge, and she was here doing the research. And what happened here? She slipped and fell to her death while collecting the specimens here. Her sister later erected the memorial tombstone in the valley, and which remains the point of the interest for the trackers today. And that you can see here in this video. We went there, and we also saw the Lady Margaret Memorial, and we also put the flowers there, as the memory, for the memory. And we went there also. Further, there was another very important thing to see. It's a river that I will show you. As you can see, we are going there. We are resting right now. We just saw the grave, and now it's time to rest. We are just enjoying the view and the wind, chill wind. पानी भरना है. मोनू पानी भर ले. खराब होगी. एक और फोटो काट. चल ठीक है. संतू हट. मार भाई. ये इन्होंने सही है. तूने तो मोड़ दिया बोतल. इसको काटना पड़ेगा. दोबारा बस. थोड़ी सी बनाई हुई इनकी मिठाई हल्की यहाँ पे, तो मैंने नहीं बनाई. थोड़ी सी है. चिल ग्लेशियर का पानी है. डाल डाल डाल. इनको थोड़ा सा दवा. अब चिल्ड पानी है बिल्कुल. दिखा पी के देखो. दिखा ओरिजिनल मिनरल वाटर. दिखा नहीं, ये रियल मिनरल वाटर है. हिमालयन वाटर. ओ भाई, ऐसा लग रहा है फिल्टर का पानी है. ब्रो. भर के ढक्कन लगा दे. सही है ना. चले आजा, बैग में डाल ले. Finally, we reached the riverbed. Look at the view, guys. By the way, this is not a safe place. When we were starting the trek, those two people, the guard actually, those told us to not to come here because there are so many bears, you know, black bear that can be very dangerous. But everyone is going there, so why not? And actually there was a path like showing us 1.5 kilometer away from the riverbed. So we are here. I don't know the name of that river. I forgot. So I will put that on the screen. You will see. And this is the view. There's a glacier also. My battery is at 4%, so we will see. But we can see the glacier also from here. At this point, our camera battery, finished, and I couldn't record the river, but I have few photos that I took, and I will show you here. You can see there are like 2 or 3 photos that I took while we are sitting there and relaxing. That was the glacier water, by the way. It was very cold. If you will put your leg or hand, it will be like you will feel the pain of that cold water. That is it, guys. That was the trip that we did here, for the Valley of Flower. I hope you enjoyed the video.